key? Okay, it's sitting on my desk. All right, guys. One of the things that my customers really like about the Prius is what it comes with to help you with a flat tire. So if you look under here, one of the things that Toyota is really, really trying to do with these hybrid vehicles, especially Priuses and Prius Primes, is not only fuel economy but efficiency. So say this scenario, you end up on the side of the road, your tire pressure light comes on, it's been on for a little while, and then all of a sudden you feel the ride gets a little rough. You're on 84, you're coming back, it's late at night, and you get out, it's a little windy, and you see maybe this back tire here. It's a real low profile tire, Michelin is, and you go, gosh, it's on the ground, I'm not sure what to do. So you come out, and if you look in the Prius, you don't have a spare tire. What Toyota does is they provide you with what they call an inflator kit. So this saves you a lot of time and it saves you a lot of space. And it makes it much, much easier to get you back on the road, to get you where you need to go. So all you have to do is you'll undo this strap here. There's a cord here you can see. And you will just attach this right here. It'll inflate it. It's kind of hard to see, but you've got a tire pressure gauge there, and it's going to inflate. It's got a special chemical inside that's going to seal as best it can the object that you ran over. Most of the time what happens is you hit a nail or a screw, and it starts to leak over time. Well, this will help seal that area to get you back home, get you to the next tire shop, get you where you need to go, maybe even just get you a little farther off the side of the road to the next exit, so you can call a tow truck, call the Toyota Care line, they can help you. So it saves you a lot of weight. It's very, very simple to use. And the last thing that a lot of us want to be doing when you get a flat tire is be on the side of the road with a jack, trying to bust these lug nuts loose. There's a lot of risk involved there. So this helps get you to a little bit safer area. And also, like I said, it's going to save you time, especially if you're traveling alone. One of the things that I like to think about is if my wife or my kids were on the side of the road, the last thing I want to be doing is have to coach them through how to change that tire, where to put the jack, maybe if they're not sure what's going on. So you can easily explain how this works to someone over the phone, or they can learn on YouTube. There's a lot of information to be able to find it. So this saves a ton of time, ton of space. Thank you.